Saturn would float in water. That sounds ridiculous for a planet that huge, but the science behind it is real. Saturn is enormous. It is about 9 times wider than Earth and made mostly of hydrogen and helium. But size is not what decides whether something floats. Density does. If an object is less dense than the liquid around it, it floats. Saturn's average density is lower than water, which means if you had a bathtub big enough, Saturn would technically float. Of course, there is no actual container that could hold a planet, and Saturn's gravity and pressure make the real situation way more extreme than a simple bath toy example. But the comparison still works as a fact about density. That is what makes Saturn so strange. It is massive, but its material is spread out enough that its average density stays incredibly low. So even though it looks like one of the heaviest objects you could imagine, it still loses the density test against plain water. So yes, the ring giant in our solar system is so light for its size that it would float in water. A planet bigger than Earth, floating like a giant cosmic pool toy, sounds fake, but it is true.